In this short Wix tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete an anchor. So if you're having trouble deleting an anchor, this is a tutorial for you, super short. So what you need to do here is just to click on the anchor and then right click on the anchor. And then here you have delete. Now we remove the anchor. Now another way to remove the anchor, you can also just select the anchor and then press backspace. You can also see the shortcut here. When you right click, you see the delete button or the backspace. So yeah, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you have more suggestions for the next Wix tutorial, let me know in the comment section. If there's something that you're struggling with, something that you don't know how to do on Wix, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to create a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching and take care. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tutorials.